I'm going to show you how to join the Binance Creators Program. This is a program that is only limited to selected individuals. I'm going to show you the email address I sent and how I got approved. So stay tuned to the end of this video so that you do not miss a step, because I'm going to show you each point I included in my email that made it possible for me to be invited into the program. If you're new to the channel, a like is going to be fantastic and a sub will be amazing. I have very low subscribers, so I'll really appreciate it if you sub to the channel. If you're interested in Binance, making money online, investments, and any money related topics, this is the channel for you. I want you to subscribe. So without wasting much of your time, let me tell you a little bit about how I got to know about this creators program. So exactly at this date, June 20th, I was online and I saw this announcement that Binance is about to launch a Binance NFT Marketplace in June, and they were calling on artist creators to join this exclusive platform. It was said that they will be selecting creators around the world, not a specific country. And if you are looking for ways to join, you need to apply before this date. So during that time when I saw it, I made my application. And even after the date was over, I was not yet invited till after the deadline. That was when I was invited. There were many benefits of joining. One is that you could upload NFT and you sell them at your own price. Note, Binance will only charge 1% of transaction fee, and the artist or the creator will receive 90% of its profit for the first sale on their NFT, as well as 1% royalty payment from subsequent NFT trade. So Binance are actually giving most of the money to creators. So I was very interested in this. And what even sparked my interest is that Binance itself will promote selected artists artwork on Binance official social media. So that means you do not need to promote your stuff by yourself. You don't even need to pay for either AdSense or any advertisement agency to promote your artwork. Binance themselves will promote your work. So they gave out the steps on how to join this creators program, and I'm going to explain it to you, and I'm going to show you the email address that I sent to them that made me join the creators program. Although there are some things I'm not allowed to show you because of the terms and conditions, but I'm going to show you what you can do so that you get approved. Many people will say, is the deadline over? The answer is no. The deadline is not over. They are still looking for creators to experiment on this part of Binance. So this is the step-by-step guide on how to join the creators program. Number one, you need to send an email to this address, nft@binance.com. I'm going to explain everything you need to know about this step, and I'm going to show you a sample exactly what I sent to them and how I got approved, and what words you need to use so that you get the approval even more faster. Use application for Binance NFT Innovative Creators Program as your email title. Very important. Then in the email you need to answer the following questions, and you make sure you give detailed information as possible, not too long and also not too short. Somewhere between 100 to 500 words is what is acceptable. A brief introduction. This is an introduction about yourself and about where you are. Your social media, you do not need to hide this one. You need to give them your social media handle, whether you have Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. I believe the reason why they are doing this is for security purpose. They want to see if you are real, you're a real person. They want to see your image. They want to see if there's anything dubious about you, if you flaunt wealth too much, anything that will make them not accept you. So that is the reason why you have to give them these details. Even if you give them just your Facebook detail, they will still look for your Twitter. So you just need to be plain and give them all the details. I'm going to show you how I did that. So make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video. If you stay to this point of the video and you haven't yet liked the video, I want you to like and also subscribe, because I'm going to be giving you more tips on how to make money through Binance NFT. So the next step is, why do you want to join the Binance NFT Innovative Creators Program? So you need to state your facts why you need to join. And before that, you need to have sample work that you'll be able to sell. I created a video about how to create your own NFT for free. You can check my previous video in this playlist and you'll be able to see how to create your own NFT for free. So you have to give them a sample work. I'm going to show you which sample work I use. Very easy. Then the next step is, if we are onboarding you into one of our creators program, what kind of NFT content are you going to list on Binance Marketplace? So I also told them what I'll be uploading, and they say feel free to share your NFT artwork proposal with us. And I gave them very little detail about it, and I was surprised. I would say approve. How many NFT pieces would you be uploading during the month of June? That was what I was asked. Although I said I would be doing once a month so that I have enough time to prepare the NFT, but I could upload multiple times. Then it adds, we will process the application on a rolling basis, so first come first serve. Only successful applicants will be contacted by Binance team, NFT team directly. So it was wonderful to receive an email from Binance NFT team directly, stating what I need to do, what I need to keep private, and also how I can upload to Binance NFT. I'm going to also share you with a link on how to, because the link won't appear for everyone. So although they gave some risks because you can actually lose money, this is not financial advice, if I forget. So let's get into the email, and I'm going to show you how I applied each of these steps. So step number 1 is send the email to nft@binance.com. So if you come to my Gmail, you can see that this is the email address, nft@binance.com. You make sure that your spellings is very correct. If not, you wait a very long period of time and no application, no acceptance letter will come to you. Use the title application from Binance Innovation Creators Form. So all you just need to do is copy and paste it into your Gmail. Use it as the title. Make sure you use exactly what they're asking you to do. Then the next thing is, please answer the following question, a brief introduction. This is all I said about myself. I said, my name is Norman Monday Joshua. I live at, you state where you live, a citizen of your state. I've been in love with Binance NFT from its inception. It was amazing how popular. It's amazing how popular it has become. I would like to apply to become part of the Binance NFT creators. Here is my social media handle. So according to that, you could see I was able to answer a brief introduction about myself and also give a social media handle. Then, what is your understanding about Binance NFT? This is how what I said. I said I know that it's a non-fungible token NFT. I know a non-fungible token NFT is a unit data stored in a digital ledger called a blockchain that satisfies a digital asset to be unique and therefore not interchangeable. NFTs can be used to represent items such as photos, videos, audio, and other type of digital files. So how did I get that? All I just need to do was go to my browser and type NFT, and I copied exactly what you see here. As simple as that. So you do not need to crack your head about what NFTs are. You can just copy and paste online. They said, why do you want to apply? So as you can see from the email that I sent, I gave the reason above here. I would love to apply to become part of the NFT because it is amazing how popular it has become. So I didn't really give an astounding reason, but still I was approved into Binance NFT. Then your previous sample. So this was the sample work that I sent to them. You can see it down below here. This is the file. Then the next point is, if we are joining you into the system, what kind of content will you and how many acts will you be posting a month? So I said I love animals and my NFT will be original work for animals, about animals. I intend to upload 1 NFT a month. This is so as to have enough time to provide the best NFT assets to my audience and to your platform. So I'm going to show you the NFT I uploaded. Let me just go to my desktop because it is right here. So we're going to allow it to load. It's just a picture of an animal. So while that is loading, oh, this is it. So this is what I uploaded to them and it was approved. This is a picture of a lion. You can get these pictures online. You can just download pictures and make a little bit edit, and it is going to become something a little bit more valuable. It is going to be different from all other lions that you have seen online. So that was what I did, and I clicked on send after filling all these details, and I got approved into the Binance NFT Creators Program. How long did it took me? It took me about 5 weeks, 1 month and 1 week to get approved. So if you have any question about it, I want you to drop it in the comment section. If you have not yet been approved, I'm going to tell you what other emails you need to send, because recently one of my friends got approved, and I will tell you the series of email and what he included in those emails to get himself approved. Note that very soon, eventually in future, NFT is going to be open out to the public, but if you want to be among the first set of people to gain access to Binance NFT Marketplace as a creator, I want you to follow this step. If you are able to stay to the end of this video, a like and a sub will be fantastic. See you in my next video.